What are prop firms? As a trader, prop firms can be your biggest enemy or friend. A prop firm gives you a funded account to trade with their money. For example, a prop firm called FTMO can give you a starter trading account of $10,000. So let's use that as an example. Why would you want to use $10,000 from a prop firm? If you win the trade, you keep 70 to 90% of the profits. There's more capital equals bigger profits, and there's no personal risk, which means no money lost. So the benefit of using a prop firms are massive when you think about it. You don't need to risk your own money, which potentially means you can trade with much less stress and never worry about losing an amount of money you can't recover from. You also get to keep most of the profits. But that sounds too good to be true, so of course there's a catch. To get money from the prop firm, you have to pass a challenge first. To pass a challenge, you have to number 1, make 10% profit within a time limit. Number 2, don't hit the max drawdown, usually 5 to 10% of the total account. Number 3, you follow the risk rules. Pass, you get funded, but if you fail, you lose your entry fee, which can range from anywhere between $10 to $1,000 depending on how big the account is that you are applying for, and if there are any discounts and promotions running. Does that sound easy? Ready to take on a challenge? Well, it's not. Only 5 to 10% of traders actually pass their trading challenge. Why? Number 1, most traders get stuck with emotional decision making because they don't have a real plan or a real strategy. And number 2, there's a lack of high quality trading opportunities. Not because they don't exist, but because many traders don't really know what to look for. The reality is that many prop firms make their money not from profitable traders, but from newbies and gamblers who keep blowing their accounts and paying challenge fees. This doesn't make prop firms bad or evil, but hopefully knowing this makes you realize that you should only trade if you have a proper strategy. That way you don't end up in an endless loop of taking challenges and blowing accounts. So here's the solution. You should try using Claustrix, which I have on the charts here. Now Claustrix eliminates emotions by analyzing real-time market data. As you can see, these key levels, the strong level and key level here, auto-adjust depending on price action. These buy and sell alerts only appear after Claustrix runs through all the data, which then allows you to focus on high probability trades. Now the video link below explains exactly how you can use this indicator to pass prop firm challenges. Anyway, I'll show you a real example on why these buy and sell alerts are high quality trading opportunities. Now I have here opened EuroCAD using Claustrix. Now we'll take a look at most recent data, and you can see during this previous month we had 3 buy alerts, as you can see here. Now between these 3 buy alerts during the previous month, there was a total of 981 pips profit potential, with 2 winners and 1 that was closed early. Now if you're trading mini lots where 1 pip means $1, that means that these 3 trades have a total of $981 for the taking. Now if you want to pass a prop firm challenge faster, check that linked video for a rundown on how you can easily beat a prop firm challenge and when you're ready. Make sure to check out the Claustrix indicator. The links are in the description and comments. Until next time.